Hi everyone, it's Queen B. In this video I am going to show you how to change your motorcycle parking light. And as you can see, I got this R15 motorcycle V2. But if you have a different motorcycle, the process should be similar. So let's do this. And like and subscribe this video. Before you take apart any parts, it's a good idea to screenshot everything before, so that you could know how they looked before taking them apart. And you can easily reassemble when you are done. And always use gentle touch when touching or opening anything. Now I am going to show you how to open and change these two parking bulbs. Left one goes in here and the right one in here. If you have a cap or cover in the back, remove them to make this part visible. Now we don't have any screw in here, so just gently grab the back part of the bulb holder like this and gently pull it out. Don't need to use too much pressure. That's it. Now do the same step to remove the other light in the right side. Now replace the light if you prefer. After you're done, then again gently press it in its socket to plug it back again as before. And that's it. I hope this video proved useful to you. If so, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.